Located in southwest Virginia, Floyd County is home to many traditional forms of agriculture, like raising beef cattle and cornfields. But this isn't just any cornfield, it's also a corn maze that's part of an agritourism site. The maze is part of the Turner family farm, and as you can see from above, the path of the maze was cut to reveal the name of the farm and their logo. It was cut using a zero-turn mower guided by satellite technology. Wes Turner and his brother Jason operate the farm, and agritourism is only part of their operation.
Cattle, pigs, we have a garden space, probably roughly an acre and a half of garden, wide variety of stuff from green beans to hot peppers, tomatoes, potatoes, you know, your typical things. We also have about a quarter acre or maybe a little bit more of sweet corn that we raise and sell. Much of Floyd County is mountainous terrain. Buffalo Mountain is the most recognizable peak. The shape resembles the head of a buffalo, and as a result, many people in Floyd have identified with the animal. The buffalo is the mascot of Floyd County High School, and there are other references to the buffalo throughout the county. Even though Floyd County is remote, there's plenty of high-speed internet for those who want to work remotely.
We have our own telephone company in this county and always have. The history on that is basically Ma Bell wouldn't come up here because there wasn't enough people. So we created our own telephone company. So we've had advantage of a lot of the grants and things, and so we have all underground wire, we have all broadband, we have a vast system here that most other counties would only dream of.
Gray Lindberry raises beef cattle on his farm of more than 400 acres. Most Floyd County farmers are beef cattle producers, with the hills providing ample space for grazing. There were once plenty of dairy farms to be found in Floyd, but that has declined in recent years. Mark Sowers runs one of the dairies still in operation, though he also has a herd of beef cattle.
We have 250 to 260 brood cows, primarily Angus Simmental cross. We're able to sell them. We rotate and keep young stock, and we have a sale every 1st of December that would market those animals to other farms throughout the Virginia and the surrounding states.
Wyatt Gerhardt grows plenty of corn, but it's to feed the cattle he raises on his farm. He grew up on the farm and knew it was his calling from an early age.
I don't know how to do anything else. But yes, ever since I was a little kid, all I can remember wanting to do is what I'm doing today. So raising cattle. I like taking an animal from the day that he was born and turning him into something that is a better product, knowing that I've had my hand in everything making that product what it is.
There are 741 farms in Floyd County, covering 110,287 acres. The market value of all agricultural products is $33,724,000. That's roughly split between livestock and crop producers. Livestock edges out, delivering $17,439,000. Cattle and calves bring in $13,706,000, while milk from cows account for $3,281,000. Crops account for $16,285,000. Most of that is from nurseries, greenhouses, and Christmas trees. They bring in $10,832,000. Hay and other crops deliver $2,047,000. David and Robert Ingram operate a retail store specializing in farm supplies and equipment. They also run a dairy farm across the street.
We have farm supplies. I wouldn't say we're a total farm supply dealer, but we have a lot of the things. We have feed, seed, fertilize, fencing supplies, cattle working equipment, animal health products, small line of hardware. It's been going on here since 1945. Our grandparents started the store at that time.
From retail outlets to raising livestock, Floyd County farmers are finding ways to keep agriculture alive in their community. They know the lush green hills and high-speed broadband infrastructure will attract many newcomers, and they're looking forward to celebrating agriculture with their new neighbors. In Floyd County, I'm Burke Muller reporting.